So the first question is, write the structure of an isomer of the compound C4H9Br which is most reactive towards SN1 reaction, and it is asked in 2016 All India exam. So as we know, the first point is we have to explain the reactivity or most reactive towards SN1, and the order of SN1 reactivity is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So first of all we have to write all the possible isomer of this, and then we have to identify which one is more reactive. So these are the 4 possible isomer. So first one is the 1-bromobutane, it is 1 degree. In this case it is 2-bromobutane, it is 2 degree. It is 2-methyl 1-bromo, or we can say 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. This one is again a 1 degree. And here this haloalkane is of 3 degree, because here carbon is attached to 3 carbons, so it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Now out of these two we know that when it loses it forms primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, primary carbocation and tertiary carbocation. So which one is more reactive? Tertiary, meaning this isomer, that is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, is most reactive towards SN1 reaction. Now the next question is, out of these two which is more reactive towards SN1 reaction and why? So these two are the examples. So first one is the 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, 2-chlorobutane. Now both are the isomer. Now but what is the difference between the two? That this one is, first one is the primary haloalkane, whereas second one is the secondary haloalkane. And which one is more reactive towards the SN1 reaction? So again the reactivity order is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree, because 3 degree form the more stable carbocation, then the 2 degree, then the 1 degree. So out of these two, the second will be more reactive than the first one. So you have to write it like this, where you have to represent that this one is secondary and this one is a primary here. And why it is more reactive? Because secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. Now again a similar type of a question, which would undergo SN1 reaction faster in the following pair. Again we have to identify their degree, that is this one is the here primary, this one is here secondary. So in the answer we have to first write down this one is secondary here, this one is primary here, and secondary is more reactive than primary because secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation, and since it is a SN1 mechanism which is controlled by the stability of carbocation. Now the next question is on the basis of SN2 mechanism, that is we have to find out which one will react faster when it follows the SN2 mechanism. So again we have to identify their degree. For example, which type of haloalkane these two are. So this is first one is a primary here and this one is tertiary here. Now in the SN2 mechanism the order of reactivity is always 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Now it is just reversed to that of SN1 mechanism, because it is controlled by the factor of steric hindrance, where lesser the steric hindrance more will be the reactivity. So lesser hindrance will be in the primary, then the secondary, then the tertiary. So in the first part we can say, in the first part out of these two CH3CH2Br is more reactive. Why it is more reactive? Because it is primary, whereas the second counter half is here tertiary. And in reason we can write that haloalkanes or primary haloalkanes are less, there is less sterical hindrance, hence they are more reactive than the secondary or tertiary haloalkane. Now again second is the example where we have to find out which one is more reactive, but it is completely different from the above part, because here both are primary haloalkane. Now in this case, when both are the primary alkyl halide, the reactivity depends upon which one is a better leaving group, because we know that in SN2 mechanism bond breakage and bond formation takes place simultaneously. So the better leaving group will make the reaction faster. So out of these two, iodide is of bigger size and hence it is a better leaving group, hence the reactivity will be faster in this case. So in reason we can write down that iodide is better leaving group than bromide, hence iodide are more reactive than bromide.